Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door handle in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Torx 15 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door handle. The freezer door handle makes the life of the hungry person so much easier, doesn't it? If the mountings on the door handle wears out, the door handle won't stay on. Then it's time to replace the door handle. To remove the old freezer door handle, we need to loosen up 2 set screws, 1 in each corner. I'm going to use a Torx 15 screwdriver. Alright, I'm going to start loosening up this couple of screws. Torx 15. And I'm going to remove the handle. And I'm going to clean this as much as possible. After, we're going to spray it with the special stainless steel spray. This is the old freezer door handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to install a new handle on. These 2 openings on the sides will fit over those 2 pins. I'm going to hold it and tighten these set screws. Again, I'm going to use Torx 15 screwdriver. So I'm going to spray some stainless steel spray. And I'm going to buff it. And it's going to look like new. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.